Most riders, ourselves included, have known Sherco as primarily a trials company. But after taking delivery of the Spanish manufacturer's 4.5i, we were pleasantly shocked to find that they easily hold their own in this competitive enduro class. The only bike in our test to actually use a key, the Sherco feels very much like a Japanese bike. The riding position is extremely comfortable and was easy for all of our test riders to adapt to. Comfortable describes basically everything about the 4.5i. The motor is so smooth that it hardly feels like it's making power as it climbs through its revs. Couple that with the softest, most trail-oriented suspension of the group, and the Sherco is deceptively fast. Though the bike inspires a ton of confidence, jumping the Sherco is only tolerated at minimal levels. Big air punishes the soft suspension settings, but it more than makes up for it on covering smaller obstacles and trail debris. DOT-approved tires were the only compromise, as the Sherco stuck to the trail like glue. The bike's friendly nature not only had us wanting to spend all day on the 4.5i, but is by far the best suited to longer rides.